Adjusting the sliding glass door, lock, and handle. The tools required for this project include a putty knife, a Phillips screwdriver, safety glasses, and gloves. We are going to show you how to adjust the lock and handle on your sliding glass door. This is the handle, and this is the snib. The snib releases and unlocks the door. Once you know how that works, you will want to check the strike plate. You can move it up and down if the door does not work properly and misaligns with the strike plate. This is the strike plate cap, and this is the Milgard logo. On the snib, the engagement tongue must run into the Milgard logo. If above or below the logo, the lock will not engage. Using a putty knife, remove the strike plate to expose the adjustment screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver to back out this screw and the other two, which are located above and below. The strike plate can be moved up and down accordingly. Once in proper alignment, reinsert the screws. Double-check your lock once this is in place.